civil authority has issued an immediate evacuation notice for the following counties/areas. Eagle, Co. at 5:46 p.m. on APR 16, 2022, effective until 6:46 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAP.
Oh, of course.
Air Camo, Wild and Fire. Evacuate now. Eagle River Estates. SMO evacuation order residents, businesses and others at H6MM 140. Evacuate now. Mandatory evacuation order in place. This includes Eagle River Estates, including all locations west of the intersection at Highway 6 and Riverview RD that are south of Interstate 70 and north of the Eagle River. An evacuation shelter is being set up at Eagle River Center at 794 Fairgrounds RD. Pets are allowed. Crews are on scene at Wild and Fire at H6MM 140. Stay clear of the area. If you encounter first responders, please cooperate. Please monitor WWS Emergency Org for further information as well as local media and social media outlets for updates.